Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to an IP address. We'll start by understanding why an IP connection is beneficial, then move on to finding your printer's unique network identifier. Next, I'll guide you through the process of adding the printer to your computer using that IP. Finally, we'll cover some essential troubleshooting tips to ensure a smooth and reliable connection. This guide will help you set up your printer efficiently. Finding your printer's IP address is usually straightforward. First, check the printer's control panel. Many modern printers display their IP directly. Alternatively, you can print a network configuration page from the printer's menu, which lists all network details. A third method involves logging into your router's administration page, typically accessible via a web browser, at an address like 192.168.1.1 to view connected devices and their assigned IPs. Once you have the IP address, adding the printer is simple. On Windows, go to Settings, then Printers and Scanners, and choose Add a Printer or Scanner. Select the printer that I want isn't listed, and then add a printer using a TCP/IP address or hostname. Enter the IP address and let Windows find the driver. For Mac OS, navigate to System Settings, Printers and Scanners, click the plus sign, choose IP, enter the address, and select the appropriate driver. If you encounter issues, first verify your computer and printer are on the same network. Check your firewall settings to ensure they aren't blocking communication. Always confirm you have the correct and latest printer driver installed. For long-term stability, consider assigning your printer a static IP address through your router, preventing it from changing. This ensures consistent connectivity and avoids future setup hassles, making your printing experience much smoother and more reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.